Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's been so long. I always say that because I'm always like going MIA on you guys, and I'm sorry, but like honestly, life has been lifing and I have not been around much. Today I have my uncle's wedding and I was like, I want to straighten my hair, but not with the Dyson. So guess what we're using? I'm kidding. I should have gotten it before. Actually, wait, let me put my eye badges on really quick because I just woke up and you can tell that I just woke up. So I have my, ooh, it's dripping, 24K gold eye mask. Pop these on our eyes really quick. Perfect. Okay, so back to what I was saying. I wanted to do my hair, so I have my uncle's wedding today, and look at this curly hair mess. It's beautiful, but the past 2 days I have been putting the fenugreek water inside of my hair, and when I tell you, my hair just looks so much fuller. It actually looks really nice. I hope you guys watch that video and just order it on Amazon. It has honestly made my hair a lot healthier and my roots. So we are gonna be doing our hair with the Revlon dry brush. I've had this thing forever. This thing is only $60, okay? Especially compared to the Dyson that is like $600. We are gonna be trying this Revlon brush today. I've used it a bunch of times before and all I need is a blow dry. I don't even need to flat iron, curl, nothing. So I have to go wash my hair, but I just wanted to show you what we're gonna be doing. I'm so excited because this was not planned at all. I literally just woke up and was like, you know what? Let me record. So I just want to show you what I'm gonna be using in my hair. So I will be using the Redken All Soft Conditioner and Shampoo. I can link it in the description bar for you guys in case you want to try it. This makes my hair really soft, so I like using these. I'm gonna go shower, wash my hair. When I get back, I'm gonna show you all of the things that I'm gonna put in my hair before I start blow drying. So I just washed my hair. My hair is so long. Look at this. Look at how long my hair is. This is crazy. Definitely want to do a video on how I got my hair this long, especially like all the different oils and things that I put in my hair. So if you definitely want that video, comment below and let me know so that I can get on it. So we're going to be using our same products. This is the Redken Frizz Dismiss. It's a leave-in conditioner. I will put this in the description for you below. And then this is the Lanza Healing Strength. I love this serum. And I actually been putting it in my hair before I blow dry it because it just works so much better that way. So I'm going to comb my hair really quick with the wet brush. This is the Tangler Teaser. This is like a little egg. It's for wet hair. That's why I like to use this one, especially that my hair is pretty soaked. I did semi-towel dry it. I'm gonna just apply the product all over my hair. I'm not gonna part it and do bisection. So I'm gonna take some of the leave-in conditioner and put it on this side only. Now I'm gonna put the Lanza on both sides. I don't want my hair to be too oily. I'll just do one pump for each side. So now I have all of the products in my hair. Let's part it and begin. So I'm gonna start from the back, going forward. let's get started and let's see how this comes out. Bam! So pretty. Alright, check this out. Very long. Yes, let's continue. You definitely want to make sure that your hair is combed out completely, because this is a brush, and like if you're going through it and it's knotted, it's gonna just start yanking your hair. I recommend to just like double comb, like keep combing and making sure that, you know, you lose the least amount of hair that you should be losing, because we need our hair. Why does it look like I'm in the hair salon? So now we have 2 more parts left, and it has only been about 15 minutes. Maybe like 18, 19. About 19 minutes. Which is still not bad. We only have these 2 pieces left, which is just the top part. Hopefully it'll be quick. One tip that as I'm doing it, I'm realizing, do not take big parts, especially if your hair is soaked like mine is. So you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but some of my hair is still staying frizzy and curly because it's like such big chunks. But then when I do it separately in smaller pieces, it just flows. So yeah, don't try and rush it like I was trying to do for a second. Just do your little pieces and it'll dry it faster. Okay, let me just part it, touch it up a bit, and then we'll be done. It is super foggy in here. I doubt you can see that, but it's very foggy. Check out my blow dried hair. And it's so long and beautiful. My ends do not look fried. Especially since they're blonde. Every single time I do my hair, I get so dehydrated. It's like the hair is sucking up all the moisture from my body. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want me to edit this video or put a separate video of it not being fast forward so you can actually see me do my hair and put the time together, or however you feel like doing it, let me know and I will do that for you. Because I always fast forward it because I don't want videos to be too long. But if you really want to watch, you know, my facial expressions or me randomly talking while I'm blow drying my hair, comment below, let me know, and I won't need to edit the whole thing for you, and I can just put it out there for you. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and my hair came out so bomb, literally so bomb, and it is extremely long.